The seats of DVMs were announced in Pakistan Atomic Energy Commission. This is the advertisement for that ad. Advertisement number was it is on the right top of this advertisement. Advertisement number O2 slash 2020, and students may should have to apply. The date is over. They had applied through the uh, online website, that is www.paec.government.pakistan/careers, and the post are as the mm, serial number 6, junior scientist SPS 8, and number is 3, animal sciences or DVM. The requirement for junior scientist at SPS 8 serial number 6 was the BS 4 years or MS first division in relevant field. So it means that DVM, BS animal sciences, BS poultry sciences, all were eligible for that post. And the rules or requirements were there should be no third division in academic career. However, one second division, preferably first class academic career. However, one second division was allowed, no third division, but one second division is allowed. The marks should have minimum 60% marks for annual system and 2.5 out of 4 for a GP system. Maximum age was of 35 years. The degree should be recognized by the concerned councils, as Pakistan Veterinary Medical Council (PVMC) deals with DVM or veterinary degree. BS Animal Sciences may not require any council registration. Selected candidates can be appointed anywhere in Pakistan. Degree should be after FSC, or intermediate should be at least of 4 years, and experience will be considered if the experience is after the degree, after the BS poultry science, BS animal sciences or DVM. During study, experience will not be considered. Candidates who are government or semi-government servants, they should have to apply through proper channel. Means that they should have non-objection certificate to apply for that post, and only candidate who will be the eligible for this test, they will be called for examination written paper that was held today. And selected candidates may be considered for advance and increments and antedate seniority as per roles. They will be dealt, the selected doctors will be deal as per the rules of Pakistan Atomic Energy Commission. No TADA will be admissible for appearing the test. It means Pakistan Atomic Energy will not pay for to attempt the paper, or to go to the city to attempt the paper. Candidate must apply online only. No offline apply option was available. The website on which we have to apply was the www.paec.gov.pk/careers, and the last day to apply was the Tuesday 17th November 2020 to 8th December 2020. 8th December was the last date. 8th December 2020 was the last date to apply. In the junior scientist, we are specifically focusing all these, the last date of the all the post was 8th December, but we are especially focusing on the junior scientist, animal sciences or veterinary or DVM, serial number 6. This is the call letter for a written test that was dispatched to the students who had applied online, or the doctors who had applied online. It is, the heading was the Directorate of Human Resource Development, and obviously the department or the commission was the Pakistan Atomic Energy Commission. PO Box is 1902 Islamabad. This letter was dispatched on 10th 10/3/2021. 10th of January March 2021. The paper was on 20th of March 2021. It was dispatched through the Pakistan Post. Subject was, and this letter was received by all of the students at the time. At least me, I had received the admission letter on the time, and it was also available online. You can download from their website. subject was the call letter, written test for the post of Junior Scientist Animal Sciences DVM SPS 8. Dear applicant name, reference your application. You are advised to appear for written test at 8 a.m. on 20th March 2021, Saturday at the examination hall was the Mechanical Engineering Department, Bahauddin Zikri University, Bosan Road, Multan, Hall B, and seat number was given. Each student has the unique seat number. I entered or I reached the destination of the Mechanical Engineering Department, Bahauddin Zikri University via the Google Maps. I am from Bahawalpur, from Bahawalpur to Multan, and from Multan to BZU to this department I go through or I reached through Google Maps. And the option or the suggestions were, you must report at least center 15 minutes before the above mentioned time was 8:30, and even the staff entered the department at 9 or later than that of 9. So it was not right, or it was not fact that we have to enter at 8:15 a.m., because even at 9 a.m. there were only security guards in the university, and the examiners and all, they entered late. But they had very good system of mobile uh, collection. Their mobile collection method was awesome, and PPSA should have to learn, Punjab Public Service Commission should have to learn from Pakistan Atomic Energy Commission to how to deal with the mobile phones. We will discuss later or in another video that how they had collected and stored the mobile phones, and how they had given back the mobile phone to the students. Instructions were the, please bring the following: CNEC, computerized CNEC original CNEC was compulsory, origin duplicate or was not allowed. This call letter was also the mandatory. Blue ballpoint marker, fine tip and clipboard, only blue was allowed, black was not allowed. Even it was written on the paper when we attempted the paper, it was written that blue ballpoint is allowed, but it is not written there in this paper, in this, and also on the paper that black is not allowed. Black is not allowed is not written at anywhere, but everywhere it was written that blue ballpoint or marker is allowed. Clipboard was suggested and it was instruction, but I think that clipboard was not required, as the chairs were comfortable to write without the clipboard. Written test instruction was that the exam activity will take 2 hours and 30 minutes time, and the paper was totally of, I think, 1 hour. 60 questions were there. We will discuss that later, how what was the details of the paper, but now till that time exam activity will take 2 hours 30 minutes, which indicate entry, attendance and all the procedures. Written test will be based on multiple choice questions, about 80% questions are per qualification, and 20%, the questions were total 60 in which, and from these 60 questions it was 1 hour, and I think 12 questions were from general knowledge, Pakistan studies, etc., and remaining were from veterinary sciences, animal sciences. You must not bring mobile phone was not allowed to enter, but they had deal with it with these mobile phones with an optimized way, better than that of the Punjab Public Service Commission. Electronic device, no device was allowed. Instruction regarding COVID were the same as in other papers, that candidates COVID-19 positive or symptoms are not allowed to attend the paper. Use of face mask and social distance 6 feet during session is mandatory. Hug or handshake should be avoided. Please not required. Qualification must complete or before the last date, that was 8/12/2020, otherwise we are not eligible for the written test. The advertised criteria must fulfill, otherwise candidate can be cancelled at any time. Your eligibility for this post in subject for scrutiny or verification of your documents at the later stage at interview, etc. They will verify our documents. If our any document was fake, fraud, then they may cancel our selection. So this letter does not confirm you the right for appointment. Obviously it is just the letter for attempt the paper, it is not the letter to be selected as in their department. No TADA will be admissible for the test, means they will not pay any amount or money to attempt the paper, to go the center and attempt the paper. And on there were two blocks. On the left bottom there was our personal detail, the applicant personal detail, name, father name, contact address, city, tehsil and district. And on the right bottom of the document, it was, they had mentioned the post, junior scientist animal sciences DVM SPS A, time was 8:30. Time, they had not followed the time 8:30, and it was good that they had not followed their time, because whole of the South Punjab was at Multan, and it is really difficult for a person to go from Bahawalpur or Hasilpur, that is approximately 200 to 3 kilometers away from the Multan, to enter the Multan and to attempt the paper at that early in the morning. Roll number CNEC was also mentioned, and they had also given their mobile numbers, the cell numbers, or the official numbers of the Pakistan Atomic Energy Commission, if anyone have to contact them. And at the last it was a sentence that this is a computer generated document and does not require any signature, and there were no sign in this document. Now we will discuss what were the questions in this paper. The total time to attempt the paper was of 60 minutes. 60 minutes was the total time to attempt the paper. The total time questions were 60. As I am not sure that 60 minutes were allowed or the time was of 100 minutes, but it was in between 1/2 to 1.5 hour. Total questions were 60, and it was possible to attempt this paper at that time. We can even attempt 2 papers at that time if anyone knows the answers. So the questions were, headquarter of Amnesty International is, I think it is in UK, but I am not sure about the answer. But the question was, headquarter of Amnesty International is in that city. Other question was, animal with 7 stomach compartments are hippo, elephant and rhinoceros. The answer was none of them. All of these animals as hippo, elephant and the rhinoceros, they are have the simple stomach. Yellow color of milk is due to it. I had said that it was casein, but it was wrong. Yellow color of milk is due to I think it is due to it is due to beta carotene. Yellow color of milk is due to beta carotene. Casein was also option, but casein was wrong. Yellow color of milk was due to beta carotene. Buffalo gestation period, it is of 310 days, but the option nearest to that was 300 days. So buffalo gestation period is of 300 days. Most time remained by an absorbable suture material is, which is that I do not know. You may, if you know, then please comment in that video, so that other students may know that what is the most time remained by an what is the maximum retention time of an absorbable suture material. It was the question. Maximum retention time of absorbable suture material. Please comment if anyone knows the answer. I will be thankful for that. Is absorbable, there were 4 options, and the question was which one of them is the absorbable suture material. So they also have the option of silk and another. 2 were simple, everyone knows that they are non-absorbable, but 2 were confusing. But there was question, and mathematical question was the 10% of 20% of 30% is, the option was I think 0.0066, and the answer according to me is 6. Other question was, Khutbah Hujjatul Wida was on which date? It was on 9 Hijri. Other was the head of Kuffar in the battle of Ghazwa of Uhud was Abu Sufyan, as Abu Jahal and Maaz, they all were killed in the Ghazwa Badr. Abu Jahal and they are all killed. Only remained was the Abu Sufyan, and Abu Sufyan lead the Kuffar at the Ghazwa of Uhud against Muslims. Developed clavicle is present in, I do not know the animal, but the options were dog, bird, horse, etc. Please comment back if anyone knows the answer of that question, that which animal has developed clavicle. More salivary glands in dog. There was a specific salivary gland that was asked, that which animal has that salivary gland. So we can say that the question was more salivary gland, or the salivary gland system is more developed in which animal. So please comment back if anyone comment on the video if anyone knows that answer. Developed sternum is in which animal? I think it is in bird, but I am not sure. Please comment if I regressed ulna in is in. It was also the question that regressed ulna is in crow, chicken, eagle, etc. I don't know answer. The antibody that can cross placenta, it is the G. Immunoglobulin G can cross placenta. First antibody formed is I am not sure about that. The first antibody that can cross placenta was the immunoglobulin G. First antibody formed is the M. M is the first antibody that is formed, and antibody that can cross placenta is G, and G is also the most abundant antibody in serum in human or animal. Most abundant antibody and that can cross the placenta is G. First antibody formed is immunoglobulin M. There are total 5 antibodies G, A, M, D, E. G can cross placenta, G is the most abundant, and GAM. M is the first antibody that is formed against any infection. Monoclonal antibodies are formed by, there are many options, biotechnology, etc. Monoclonal antibodies are formed when the animal, if the animal from which antibodies are taken are the mice or murine source. It is like that. So it was a not option, so I had not selected, but it may be the biotechnology. Biotechnologist may make the antibodies, but I had selected none of these. None of these was also the option because there was no any option of murines or mice etc. Yeah, other question was the PCR is not serological test. Option, the question was which one of them is not serological test. Options were PCR, ELISA, etc. PCR is not serological test because it do not uses serum or antibodies. It is linked with DNA. DNA is not a serological test. Meline detects Burkholderia melli. Meline detects which organism? It detects Burkholderia melli. Clock, it is clock suya. I had written in my words, but I clock hands cross each other 24 in 24 hours. That question is the two hour and the minute clock hands, they cross each other how many times in 24 hours? I had selected 22 times, but I do not know what is the exact option. Drug of choice in babesiosis was which option was I selected diminazine, but diminazine acetate or I think imidacloprid dipropionate. It was a simple question. Other were all the antibacterials as amoxicillin, penicillin, etc. It was simple question. There was only one antiprotozoal drug. I had selected that. Drug of choice in Caline ehrlichiosis is it was any of the tetracycline. I think it was oxytetracycline. Drug of choice in Caline ehrlichiosis is the oxytetracycline. Composition of bone is the calcium and phosphorus. There are many options as calcium and carbon, etc. Option one, right answer was calcium and phosphorus. Bacterial grow as stationary log. There was a question that how the bacteria grows and what is the graph of the growth of bacteria. The written here is the wrong. The right method is that the bacteria grow as the lag phase, then it is the log phase, lag phase, log phase, stationary phase, death phase. Lag, log, stationary, death. Lag, log, stationary, death. It was the right option. How the next question was how the virus penetrates. What is the method of or the steps in right steps? Right steps were attachment, penetration, protein synthesis, etc. Like that. It was first it attached, then it's penetrate, then insert its DNA, makes its proteins, and then go out of the cell to which the virus infects. Inside the lungs, there was a technique in which I think lung we insert any tubular structure in the lungs, and the question was in which condition we do that. Lungs fluid, in ascites or pneumothorax. I am not exactly, I do not exactly know what was the question, but summary was that there was a technique that was applied on the lungs and on the thoracic cavity or the lungs, on the lungs, and which pathology it is used. The options were pneumothorax, ascites, lungs fluid, etc. And there is a that the questions were total. This paper has totally 6 questions, and each question has 3 marks with one negative marking. It means that if we attempt a question, that attempt question and it is right, then we will have 3 marks, and we attempt a question that answer is wrong, then the result of our two questions will be we have cumulative of 2 marks. As question number 1 it is correct, 3 marks. Question number 2 our answer was wrong, -1 mark. And cumulative of these two questions is our total cumulative marks are 2, as 3 marks from first question, 1 marks deducted from second question, 3 minus 1 2. So the total marks of this paper will of 180 marks, as 60 questions. Each question is of 3 marks. 60 into 3 is 180. And other options were same paper for all. There were no divisions of paper as the PPSC makes, as black, blue, green, or the paper ABC. And there was also no shuffling of MCQs. Simple question. But within the hall, there were different departments who were attempting the paper. It means that if I am attempting the paper of veterinary sciences, then the person besides me is not attempting the paper of veterinary sciences. He is attempting the paper of agricultural sciences, biological sciences. Paper were different of different departments, but within the department all the papers were same. And there was a question of English synonym. I do not know what is that synonym. And question was, sorry for that, I forget that what the word was that whose synonym was asked. And there is the link from which you can download the advertisement there, upon which the students has applied and attempted the paper of today. And the clock hands, the question is repeated that clock hands cross each other 24 within the 24 hours, and it is 22 times. The cross hands cross 22 times within 24 hours. I am also not sure of these answers, so there is a suggestion that these are only for question. You can have the clue that how these questions are. So if I am saying that I am not sure, so it means that I am saying that what I had attempted. So you will have to confirm the answers from your sources, and please comment if there is any, if you find the answer of any question, so that it may be helpful to other fellows too.